I joined VMware as a great opportunity to help make a big difference in a company like VMware. So building a new hybrid cloud services business unit is clearly critical to the success at VMware. And at Savvis, I had a great run of 6 or 7 years where we built up a cloud-based infrastructure services business from a few $100 million to over $1.2 billion in 4 or 5 years. So it was an opportunity to take all of my experience and learning from having done that and bring it to bear at a company where I can add, hopefully, a huge amount of strategic value and help our clients continue to get more value from their investment in VMware. The cloud industry is at probably the most interesting point it's been for the last 5 or 6 years. So we're now seeing enterprises really, on a massive scale, adopt the public cloud. We're also seeing enterprises start to sort of take a very heterogeneous approach where they're buying public cloud from a number of different vendors, some of which you could call born in the cloud type providers, and others are coming at it from different angles of technology providers or service providers. What enterprises are discovering is that by effectively proliferating the use of multiple cloud providers, the world's got more complicated than when they started. So there's going to be, I think, some fairly serious consolidation around enterprises looking to use a few providers, and those providers need to be able to overcome and provide solutions that are what we call hybrid. Today, while a large amount of workload remains on-premise, if I look at, say, 2014 and the amount of workload that's going to get added in 2014 by enterprises, and let's say, for argument's sake, it's about 8 million workloads are going to get added, I think about 6 million of that is going to get added off-premise as opposed to on-premise. For many enterprises, their IT departments have had a tough few years. They've seen lines of business or general managers of businesses starting to embrace public cloud and make almost unilateral purchasing decisions to buy applications either at infrastructure layer or by SaaS offerings. And the IT department has been left carrying the bag, trying to maintain compliance, operational integrity, security, while there are parts of their business that they've kind of lost a little bit of control of. So helping our clients in the IT functions of companies regain some of that control is going to be one of the challenges we're going to help clients overcome. Hybrid cloud is one where they can effectively just move workloads up into a public cloud using all of the same tools, the same technology, and it sort of seamlessly extend their workloads up into a public cloud, or of course bring it back in again. The major driver of growth for hybrid cloud over the next sort of 3 to 5 years is this enormous requirement for increased agility. Businesses want to move faster, they want to deploy applications faster, they want to get into new markets quicker, and they also want to be able to explore and experiment quite quickly and discover if something's going to work. And if it doesn't work, then they're going to want to quickly withdraw and then apply their funds elsewhere. And as the global economy starts to emerge out of a recession and regain growth, it's all about growth for most of our clients. And cloud is the perfect technology for accelerating any company's growth. It means they can get into a market quicker, it means they can experiment with new products without having to make massive monolithic investments. They can quickly experiment, discover what's working and help them grow. And that is what's going to drive the growth. What I'm really looking forward to in 2014 is to take this service global. So we're going to roll it out across Europe, we're going to roll it out across Asia, and we hope that increasing numbers of our 500,000 clients are going to take advantage of the platform. It's going to be a really exciting 2014.